So I wanted to do a video on overplanting. So I'm going to go over that pot right there and then this one here to kind of tell you how you can overplant and actually be successful. So stay tuned. So I have a cold frame, and by the cold frame I have a pot. This is my mother-in-law's, but it is blooming, so it's pretty. This is the strawberry yarrow. So pretty. I can't wait till it fully blooms. Anyways, so what I really wanted to talk to you today is about this one pot, which you can actually get a lot out of this pot because there's a lot in here. Number one, sweet peas. My son loves sweet peas, which if you watch any of my other videos, you know that. So I planted it all around. I didn't plant any in the backyard, which I will next year because I'm kicking myself because we have enough. Excuse me. But if my husband wanted any, if I wanted any more, I eat them some, but I don't eat that many. This guy is getting ready to bloom, and I will show you this guy when he blooms. Oh my gosh, he's so pretty. But this one is borage. So that is really good to plant with tomatoes. And you see I do have a tomato in here, which is really weird. But let me give you the reasoning behind that. So peas are great, but they are cold winter crops. So when it hits 90 every day, when it doesn't cool down, they are going to suffer. They are going to die. And we all know that because that's just the way peas are. So when these die out, we're going to have all kinds of room to grow up. So that's when the tomato is going to grow up in this and take over. So these will all die back, and then the tomato is going to grow up. Sorry, I have a cat that is like really testy. I planted mint in here. That's to confuse the predators and not... Okay, what are you guys doing to this plant? That is to confuse the predators so they don't smell whatever's in here as well. I do have this guy, which he's just going to be a pollinator. This one's a pollinator to bring the bees over. And deep down in here, if they're still alive, I've got some beets. And again, these are going to get bigger once these sweet peas get out of here because it's going to have more light. So will the beets do anything this year? I'm really not sure. We'll see. This is an experiment. I like to overplant, and then I'll take out what isn't working. Now, back here, I just have tomatoes that I'm saving for someone else, for my mother-in-law. So these are not actually planted in. If you can see the pots, there's 3 of them. So those are not in there. But there are 2 borage plants, pansies, peas, 2 beets, mint, and tomato plant in this one container. So it shades out the bottom like it should. And then there's multiple layers. So all season this will be producing. So I love it. It's not really pretty right now because it's not going to live much longer. So, but also the cold frame shades it. So the microclimate, it is a little bit cooler right here. So it might last a little bit longer. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash a like if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Thanks.